everyone. Today I'm gonna do my first unboxing of a game. As you can see, here's my Zelda edition, regular DS. Okay, for your soccer fans, I got FIFA 15 Legacy Edition. See that? Here's the back. It's English. I don't know what language it's at. I think it's French and Spanish. And here's a screenshot of the game. So yeah, rated E stuff. Okay, now let's open it. So here are the instructions, black and white. Nothing special there. And now the game card. Let me see if I can get the camera to get focused. Well, I'll try to get as close as I can. Here is the game. There, focused. FIFA 15. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.